might be useful to step back or reframe why you might be doing each of these tools and which one and what sort of questions you're asking.
Yes. Yep. So for that, I will go back to the documentation. So in here, we have our slope detection power. So this is, again, you're asking, is there a reducing concentration? Do we see a downward slope in our data? Step into that. If you want to prescribe specific concentration and have a lot of granularity and control over that, the detection power slope is the way to go, because it allows you to prescribe exactly what that true receptor concentration is, and then it'll generate noise and run the stats off over it. The auto detection power is saying, I'm going to implement this full methodology that we've talked about, and I just need to know start, so that I can just start, stop, implementation time, and age constraints, and let it run. And then obviously when you're looking at counterfactual questions, is pathway 1 different than pathway 2? Is time series 1 different than time series 2? That's where you move to that counterfactual. Again, the detection power calculator, this detection power counterfactual allows you to specifically prescribe the data, whereas the automatic one allows you to simplify things. And the advantage of that is if you have modeled data, if you have a more complex, like if you're pulling data out of a groundwater model, if you are using very weird concentration time series, if you're using a more complex model to generate your true concentration, this allows you to apply the detection power easily without having to back out.